Ever wondered how video games are made? Here at Nanyang Polytechnic, students get opportunities to develop games for the Sony PlayStation. The NYP Games Resource Centre, operational since September 2009, trains students in developing specialized software technologies and content for next-gen gaming platforms. In particular, their niche is creating virtual worlds on PlayStation, a wildly popular game console played by millions around the world. The diploma curriculum will imitate industry settings, preparing students for real-life work scenarios like professional game developers. Students often reference existing games such as Iron Man and Final Fantasy to draw inspiration.
As a game designer, I usually look at the target audience for the game, followed by the genre of the game, and then to how the gameplay should be played.
Next, the art department paints color and life into the game.
As a game artist, we usually begin researching on the internet and the library. Once we have the research, we will start to sketch and finalize the design. And we will proceed to model and animate using a program called Maya. And after that, we will pass it on to the programmers.
The scenes have been crafted. They now need to be linked logically and in an entertaining manner.
Basically, as a game programmer, I take the game idea from the game designer and the game graphics from the game artist and convert them using a software called Visual Studio into a working game for consumers to play.
Previously, the local gaming industry was pretty much centered on PC online games development. With this new center, we hope to bring in the hardware, software, and the technical expertise to support local companies and as well as to train students here on how to create games for this next-gen gaming platform.
Staff were sent to Japan for a 3-month intensive course, during which they were imparted with knowledge of game producing, programming, and visual arts creation.
The idea is to have the students from our specialist diploma to come up with game projects. We will identify the better projects, so we'll bring in these industry partners to help support them, as well as we provide expertise to work on these game projects.
The Game Resource Centre helps students bag publishing deals which will enable their games to be sold in the market. Students get to develop games like Wild Tactics Fighter. Like an addictive game, students at NYP Game Resource Centre are finding this challenge very satisfying.